What's up guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to create railway account for IRCTC. So many people use their standard way of booking to railways and other transportation facilities which is provided. So I've got many feedbacks like that. They are asking me that please show us how to create a IRCTC account, so it will be helpful for others. So in this video I catch the topic and I'm going to show you how to create the railway IRCTC account which is provided by Indian Railways. Without delay, let's start the video. So if you want to get my updates normally, like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's what I request. Thank you. So let's start the video now. I have the same guest that I got that day. He is Shaurya. So he's once more here with the video. He had his sacred thread ceremony there. So guys, I'm going to show you now how to create that account. So first open Google, just go here irctc.com. So you get this screen over here. So guys, I'm going to cut few of the parts in this video because just to maintain my personal privacy in the account matter. So please don't worry, I'll be just dictating you how to do it. So don't worry, that don't think that the video is over or some glitches there. I'll be blocking few content here. So yeah, so now I'm going to show you how to do this. You have this main screen over here, from to general coach, personal disability, and all these things are here. So here you can see a register option is there. Just click on that register option. So this works on phone or laptop or whatever you use. So I'm doing this on laptop because I just wanted to show you directly how to create. So first you should just like that, you should fill all these details now. So if your name is like should you just say ABC, so just put that. So you should create your own password, whatever it is, and you should confirm the password here. So so that's what I told you. I can't just show a few content, so I'll just tell you roughly so you can go to that. So username, you should fill the username details. Password also you should fill. You should confirm the password. So here it is preferred language, like what language do you prefer to display. English, Hindi is the main language given here. So it is your wish, so I choose English here. So I'm not going to create because I already own one. So I'm just showing you to just get to the knowledge. So security question, you should here you should fill this security question. Who was your what is your pet name? So I'll tell you options. What was the name of your first school? Who was your childhood hero? What is your favorite pastime? What is your all-time favorite sports team? What is your father's middle name? What is your first car or bike? Where did you meet your first spouse? So any one you should select and give a security answer here where that will be stored. So I'm just going to create some random name and okay, I'll give my original details, but I'll not let you know the password. Okay, so okay, I'll give my YouTube channel name NEOTRONICS. Just give. Okay, it is just 3 to 35 and Neotronics are given. The password I'll set. Don't see the password. So I'll just keep something. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. There is so password has one rules, that is password is invalid. It is minimum character is 8 character and max is 15 characters there. Password must contain at least one small and one capital alphabet and numeric digit. So one numeric digit, one special character, one capital letter. So I'll just keep this password. It's fine. Wherever I go, this is good for me. So just confirm the password. Yeah, so I just give this English. Then now I'm gonna fill this English over security question. I'm filling this. What is your pet name? Okay, let's just keep this. So I'll put the answer. So this is the answer. Okay, I'll just do this. Vijay. Okay, done here. So yeah. So first, next thing is you should fill your final details over here. So which I can't fill here because of the reason of privacy leaking. So I did not block the content also here. So first you should fill your first name, then middle name, then the last name. The middle name and last name is optional, but first name you have to fill and it is mandatory. So you should select occupation here. So let it be there. So you should select occupation here: government, public, private, professional, self-employed, student, and others. So you should get your date of birth here. Date of birth is required. So here it is like this. This is the years you can select like this. Months also is there, and everything is there. So here is an option: if you're married you should click married, if you're unmarried you should click unmarried. So the country they are providing you here, just to know that if you are NRI or you're Indian resident or non-Indian resident. So here you should define the gender here. So you should give your mobile number, email ID, and nationality. So where do you stay here? So you just get this Brazil. Uh, uh, so you should get this actually. HI. So here is the main part. It's like NRIs, non-resident Indian. The people who come from America, they start creating their accounts. So all these things are going on. This is India is standard Indian resident. So next, you should go to your address here. So if you go there and click continue, you'll get that actually. If you go and click continue, filling all the personal details, if you fill everything, you'll get it. If you click on continue, just a second, the glitch, please. So if you fill everything, give continue, it will go to address page. So address page you should fill flat number, door number, or block number. Street lane is like which cross are you in, area or locality, which if you are in America you should mention city, if you are in India nagars, and circles, nagars, whatever is there. Pin code is standard pin code. What is your postal pin code, you should enter. State phone number. So if you don't have any this thing, you don't have any option here. So if you select post office, you'll get to know. State is like Karnataka, I'll enter because I stay in Karnataka. So phone number is like something random: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So this is the number of should enter. So it will automatically, if you enter pin code, so 570022 for example. So if you select city, see you get Mysore here. If you select post office, so this is the single post office which is there nearby to my house. So if you select Mysore and if you give the pin code here, or else see I'll tell you. So I'll enter one more pin code randomly: 560104. This is my this thing. So yeah, Bangalore I selected. Select post office Hampi Nagar SO. So this is the post office there. So you should just click here yes. If you want to, if you want to even change the uh, if you want to change the residence, the same residence, or if you want to change the address of the office, so your resident address is something different than the office address. So or if you own an office, if you want to change that address, you should click no. So where you get this, see. So you get this if you click no, because office address you should enter it separately. So if you don't just copy, if you want only one personal address, not office address and others, you don't, if you are changing companies and you can't keep the permanent address, just click yes. So it will be, the same will be copied as office address. So please inform me about IRCTC co-branded credit card through phone, SMS or EMS, SMS. So this is an option where they give the branding of the, they give the branding of credit card. So if you want, you can take or you can unmark this. So enjoy railway ticket booking with 1% PG transaction charges, waiver with IRCTC, FBI, BOB, HDFC cards, and you also can book ticket using earned loyalty reward points. So that is an optional option there. So first you should enter the reCAPTCHA, whatever is given there. So just you should always click here, because you should read terms and conditions. If you want to read terms and conditions and agree for receive the promotional emails, you should just click this. Or if you don't want to read and directly continue, you can just click on this. So if you click, this is an compulsory option. If you don't read terms and conditions, they not allow you to register yourself. If you want to really read, you can, otherwise just you tick and just click on register here. So if you click on register here, you'll get one email confirmation there. So clicking on email confirmation, you can after confirming your email address and phone number, your account will be ready. And next step, if you have IRCTC app, you can use IRCTC app. Otherwise, you can just go to normal website if you have an account. So here, if you want to book train, just like that, I'll enter some random address from my Mysore JN. Just like that, I'll enter to Bangalore, KSR Bangalore, KSR Bengaluru, KSR Bengaluru. Okay, so I just click here. You just select the coaches. So if you want to, if you want to directly sign in, you can go and sign in. Otherwise, see, just like that, I'll enter here all classes. Okay, some random search I'll do. So it will ask you for sign in if you want to book, or see. So it's there just like that. I'll just click on just like that. So I'll just give book now. Yeah, it's okay, just like that only. So this page will appear when you are booking your train. In IRCTC app, first you should log in, then booking is allowed. So here you should now enter your username, password. So just now you should enter the reCAPTCHA which is given here. So for different people there will be different reCAPTCHAs. It will not be same. You can just click here and just give sign in, and then you can book. Or the other way is to just come to home here and come here more. Just go to sorry, not here. Excuse me, please. So just come here, or you can sign in directly. So that is the best way, so I'm not getting that. So I'm not getting that how to. Okay, agent login, I think it is there. I'll show you. Okay. So there's something different. So the best way, the best way to do that is the just okay, I'll just cancel this. Okay, the best way is that when you search the train, you want to book in websites, you can do that actually. At the last time, you'll get that. So, guys, this is how to. This is the steps how to create, account of IRCTC, that is Indian Railway Train Service account, uh, to make your train bookings easier. So if you have also created, just give me a like, share and subscribe, and tell me how did you do it, did it was successful or not. So I'll turn on the comment box. You can just comment me there if it had worked or not. If it's not worked, don't worry, I'll give you a new video of what do you call, refreshed video of the same booking thing. So if you are satisfied with it, just like, share and subscribe to my channel. And then until unless, to meet you in the next video. Bye.